Now this is a simple problem. According to this problem, V is given, I is given, not given, V is unknown, I is unknown, 2 ohm is given, 6 ohm is given, one of the current I1 which is passing through 2 ohm resistor is given as 3 ampere, right? But I2 is not given to you. Okay, I2 is not given to you. You are asked to find out I and V. That is, I is the total current and V is the voltage of the battery applied across this distance. Suppose this is A and B. So as I can show you that if R1, R2 is connected parallelly and V is the battery, I is the current, and I1 is this current, I2 is this current, and this current is equivalent to this current, same. So here I2 is obtained like this, V by R1, I1 is obtained V by R2. Okay, so equivalent resistance between the two parallel resistors is obtained like this. The equivalent resistance between RA and B is 1 by RAB. Okay, so RAB is equal R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Is it? This is the equivalent resistance. Okay, equivalent resistance between this. So from Ohm's law, we have a relation between I, V and RAB. Applying Ohm's law, V is equal I, R, AB, right? So now put the value R1, R2, R1 plus R2. Okay. So this is a relation among all two resistors and current and voltage. All are unknown. So here, if we put this value in this equation or this equation, you can easily find a relation between I2 with I and other resistors. Okay, let me put here to find either I1 or I2. Suppose we are giving this as R1 and this as R2 in our problem. Okay, so I2 I1, suppose I1. No, I1 is equal divided by R1 and I2 is equal divided by R2. So if you want to find out I1, then total voltage should be divided by R1. Okay. Now I1 so put the value of V here. I R1 R2 R1 plus R2 R1. So finally I is equal what? R1 R1 will be cancelled. R2 R1 plus R2. This is important. Similarly, I2 is equal, you will find I, in place of R2, R2 will be divided, so R1 will be there, R1 plus R2. This is one of the important relation that you can apply this here. In this particular problem, by using this relation, you can easily find out the value of I and V. How? You see, so we are asked to find out I and V. So I1 is given as 3 ampere. So this is the equation through which you can find out. So I1, take this equation. Okay, I1 is equal to 3. I is not known, unknown value. R2 is equal known as 6. R1 is equal to 2 plus 6. Okay. So from this you can find out the value of I 6 by 8. I is equal to 3 into 8 by 6 to 4 ampere. So I is equal 4 ampere. Your current is 4 ampere. I is equal 4 ampere current is flowing through this. So I is calculated. Okay. So then you can find out V. It is simple. If once I is obtained, you can easily find out I2 also. Okay. So if I is obtained, so you put the value of I here, then you can find out V. I is equal to 4. R1, R2. R1 is equal to how much? 2. R2 is equal to how much? 6. 2 plus 6. 4. 12. 8. 2. 6 volt. So your answer is obtained as I is equal 4 ampere, V is equal 6 volt. Right? So this is the way how to solve this type of problem. This is another problem where one circle is there. Simply at the center a point is there. Okay, 10 ohm, 10 ohm, 10 ohm, 10 ohm, all are 10 ohm. 4 resistors, each having value 10 ohm, are connected like this. You are asked to find out equivalent resistance between A and B. So what does it mean? This circle means that it is a conductor, right? It is a conductor. A is a common point. Okay. B is another common point. So you see the one end of each and every conductor is connected with A. The another end is connected with a conductor. What does it mean? It means that you can modify the circuit like this. Very simple. You can modify the circuit like this. These are the simple tips I want to teach you. Okay. 10 ohm, 10 ohm, 10 ohm, 10 ohm. This is A and this is B. Okay. Simply you see. Very simple. So A point is this. From A you are going 10, 10, 10, 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 4 times. All the other ends are connecting with B. Okay. B is a conductor. Don't worry. This is circle. The shape may be different. Okay. The shape may be different, but the connection, this is a connecting wire. Nothing. Conductor. This is conductor. It is connected with all the resistors, other ends. So this is parallel. Now we can do this. How many of them? 1 by RAB. How many of them? 4. 4 by 10. Okay. 1 by 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10. How many of them? 4. Time to out hobo etia olop pisot hek hobo tar pisot ako kaile log pam. Thik ase. So okay, it is RAB 10 by 4. Okay. It is 2.5 ohm. Very simple. Right? This is another problem. A and B, you have to find out equivalent resistance between A and B. 8 ohm, 8 ohm, 8 ohm and 12 ohm. Okay. So you are to draw a modified circuit like this. From point A, you are to find out the endpoints of 8 ohm. Suppose this is 8 ohm, and another endpoint this 8 ohm. This is 8 ohm. Another endpoint 12 ohm. Okay. Now these two 8 ohms are connected again at point C. At point C. C is the point. And this is connected with another resistor 4 ohm. 4 ohm. And this 12 ohm goes there, connect with 4 ohm. This is the correct circuit. And 4 ohm is again connected with the point B. So this is the modified circuit of this circle. And again I am explaining, from A, if you go, you will get this point first. This point first. Suppose I am giving this point P, and come to this point Q. P point, Q point, suppose. And then go to 12 ohm. Okay, cross it and attain at point this here. This is the B point. This is the B point. Okay, B point is same. So this is the modified circuit from which you can find out the equivalent resistance 8 and 8. So what will be the equivalent resistance? 8 and 8, and it is 1 by R is equal 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 is equal 2 by 8 is equal 1 by 4. So R is equal 4 ohm. So this will be 4 ohm. This 4 ohm and 4 ohm. Again modified, this is 12 ohm. So the next modified circuit will be like this. This is 4 ohm. Out of 8 and 8, you are getting 4 ohm. This is 4 ohm. Okay. This point is C, and this is 12 ohm. So 4 ohm and 4 ohm are in series. So they will be combined together to give 8 ohm. Okay. So the final modified circuit will be 8 ohm combined parallelly with 12 ohm resistor. This is 12 ohm. This point is A. This point is B. Okay. So you have to find out the equivalent resistance between A and B as using the relation AB parallel 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12. This is LCM is 24. This 3 plus 2. It is 5 by 24. So RAB is equal this 24 by 5. So this will give you 4.8 ohm. So final resistance will be 4. Answer is 4.8 ohm. Okay, this is the correct way how to find the equivalent resistance of this type of circuit. Okay, thank you.